Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And unfortunately, I have a big update for you guys on the K1500, so let's explain what happened. So the Duramax was in the shop a couple weeks ago for some hail damage that I got being parked here at home. So, and I had to use this truck to haul both my mowers around for work, and I also had to use it to haul like 5,000 pounds of dirt. So unfortunately, one of the days that I was using it for work, every once in a while it was banging through first and second to third gears. And then when I got home with it and I went to put it in reverse and back up the trailer, all I heard was a bang and then no reverse. So let me show you guys what this thing's doing now. I just washed it so that way I can go park it in the under the canopy there. So yeah, hopefully you can hear that, but you can hear that like whining noise. So basically whenever the truck's running, you hear it because of whatever's broke off, I guess. So then when I put it into reverse, you can definitely hear that. And as you can see, we're in reverse. So I have no reverse at all. As you can see, as I drive forward, you can really hear it as well. Alright, so she's all tucked away in the canopy, all closed up. I had to bring it around from the back and pull it through since I couldn't back it in. So there you have it. That's the update on the K1500. It's pretty depressing. I don't know when I'm going to get to fixing it. I'm going to take it somewhere and get it priced, and I'm not sure how soon I'm going to do it. We just got a camper, so I don't know when I'm going to get to it, but eventually it'll get fixed. So yeah, and I didn't show it on camera, but basically when you try to get up the speed and get it to shift gears, I've noticed it seems like it kind of tries to shift, but then it doesn't. So if you guys have any ideas what exactly it is, leave a comment below. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update when I get some pricing on getting the transmission in, and hopefully we'll get it fixed soon. So all right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.